Assalamualaikum everybody. So we are at number 2, intensive practice 5.2. Given that the geometric progression 4.5, negative 9, 18 and so forth, find the number of terms for this geometric progression in order for the sum to be 769.5. Okay, so I write down the arrangement first. That is, the first number is 4.5, and then negative 9, then 18. Okay, so how many of this term that we have to take in order to become the total will be 769.5. As you can see, we have negative numbers here, so if positive plus negative will become reducing the number. Okay, so anyway, so we can still calculate the value of the term manually, but it will take a lot of time. Okay, so let's check out the formula for sum of the first n term for geometric progression. So I will take the second one because the value of r is less than 1. So the formula for Sn is a 1 minus r to the power of n over 1 minus r. So we already know the Sn, which is 769.5. So the A will be the first term, that is 4.5, and then 1 minus r will be negative 2, because negative 9 divided by 4.5, or 18 divide by negative 9. So you get negative 2. So 1 minus negative 2. And we can solve this. 4.5. And then here inside the bracket is still 1 minus negative 2 power n, and below here is 1 minus minus 2 because there are no power here, no indices, so we just 1 minus minus 2 become 3. So this is 769.5. So what we do next is that we move 4.5 and 3, so it becomes 769.5 times 3 over 4.5. So we have inside whatever inside the bracket. Okay, so we need to calculate. It's 769.5 times 3 over 4.5. So we have 513. So 513 is equals to 1 minus negative 2 power n. So in order to solve this, I can move the whole thing here to the other side. So it becomes negative 2 power n. Because this is negative, you move to the side, it becomes positive. So 1 minus 513. So the answer will be negative 512. And here is negative 2 power n. So can we solve this using indices? Of course, right? So this is, you make this as in the bracket, and then this n, and then now you press calculator, you just try one by one. That is negative 2 to the power of whatever number that you like, that you can try. Negative 2. Make sure it's negative 2 inside the bracket. And then to the power of. And then you can try power. For example, you try power of 8 is 256. If the power you change to the power of 9, then it become negative. Because you press just now with to the power of negative 8. Sorry, the power of 8 was positive. Now, it is negative. Okay, so how come we have, oh sorry, right, so to the power, okay, so the value of n will be 9. So there are 9 terms. So it is not impossible, because this is 9 is not that too big, but for us to discover. So 4.5, negative 9, 18, then you multiply by 2, you get negative 36, then you get 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fifth one. And then negative 144, 6, and then 288, and then this is already the 7, and then will be 288 times 2 will be 576, and then we have times 2, then 1152. Okay, so what you do now, you just add manually. You will get that the total will be 769.5. Okay, let's try out.